What's the meaning of coachman? Coachman. Coachman.
Coachman. Coachman. A coachman is a person who drives a horse-drawn carriage, also known as a coach. The coachman is responsible for the care and management of the horses as well as the passengers in the carriage. In the past, coachmen were common in Europe and America as a means of transportation for the wealthy. Today, the use of coachman is largely limited to tourist attractions and special events, but the term is still used to describe those who drive horse-drawn carriages in these settings.